Welcome back to Tecnoguías. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can link your WhatsApp web with your QR code. The first thing we're going to do is go to the WhatsApp web and we are going to where it says link with phone number. Okay, we enter our phone number. And okay, now we'll give us a code. We are going to go to our cell phone and here the first thing we are going to do is go to the device connected and go to log in. Okay, press and enter the code. Okay, I enter the code and we'll go towards the target chats. It's very quick and simple and very useful. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more content with us.